It was eerie, something that you would hear in a science fiction show.
Halloween came a little early to the neighborhoods around Tinker Air Force Base as the weird sound floated through the air. Neighbors texting each other about the lonely serenade.
I said, well, it's either a malfunction, God calling us home, or aliens.
Floyd and Sue Dunnigan have lived near Tinker for 17 years and never heard a sound like this.
Well, when we didn't see the spaceship, we figured it was in good shape.
I was sitting there, I was like, what do I do? Because my mom was just freaking out also. We were all freaking out in my house because we've never heard the siren before.
Angelina Garcia's family also wondering what the sound could mean.
It was like off a sci-fi movie. Like if you could hear like an alien coming down from Earth, that's exactly what it sounded like, and it was so creepy.
Good news though, Tinker officials tell us there was nothing to worry about. They say the alarm came from a pole in the 38th Cyberspace Engineering Installation Group at the base. A controller card in the master board malfunctioned.
I immediately thought that it was coming from Tinker, but I didn't know what could be causing it, so it was definitely a little weird.
Tinker officials say the malfunctioning pole has been shut down for about a week for upgrades to the controller card. In Midwest City, Sarah Stewart, Oklahoma's News 4.